Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we're going to pick up from the last tutorial where we showed you how to create a Roku TV channel in under 5 minutes. So in this we're going to show you how you can create a cross-platform mobile app for Android and iOS. Now we're using Appcelerator to do this, but you can use any framework to do this. This is just a demonstration. We'll put the Appcelerator code up on GitHub. It's already open source, but we'll put our version up so you can show you how. So we can show you how we integrated it into our setup. So let's get started. So first off, we need a few things. Once you've downloaded the source code, you'll be presented with the project. So you just need to go into Alloy.js, which is just under the app folder. And we just need to add a few values here. Okay, so first things first, let's go to our profile, and let's just grab an API key that we've created, so we can delete this API key after this tutorial, but this is just to demonstrate. So you're going to want to put your API key in here. Okay, and now we just need to grab two values, one for playlist ID and one for genres ID. So let's go and do that. Let's go to our dashboard, and we can take a look at playlists. If you hover over, you'll see it's 22 and genres is 23. So let's add those two values. Playlist 22, genres 23. So that's pretty much all you need to do as far as generating the project goes. Just add these two keys. We'll be building out this app so that people can use it. It's a fully functional OTT cross-platform application, so you'll be able to use this for your company or business. Just wait for it to compile so you can just see how it looks in the simulator. Okay, so it's loaded up in the simulator here, as you can see, and we've got our application here. So let's take a look at what's going on. So first of all, we're pulling in all our genres. So let's go and look at the genres. Okay, so you can see we've got action, adventure, animals, and we can add images to this so that the images will show up here. We just haven't got any for the moment. So then if we went into action, you can see that we've got our player. So we go to players and then go into this player. You'll see that this player is associated with a genre of action. So this is how this has been attached here. Okay, this player here. So let's go in, and you can see that we've got our setup with our landscape image, and we're probably going to want to change the portrait image. So I'm just going to show you how to do that quickly. So you can come in, add a direct image. You need to work with these references. We'll touch more on these in future tutorials, but it's as simple as adding a portrait image. Okay, and then if we go back and go back into the API call, okay, you can see our portrait image has now been added. So you can see that we can change the meta information, so we could change the meta description here. It's all as simple as just changing everything here. Okay, so it can just all be done directly through the admin. So you've got to remember that we're doing all this in one place. So as we update everything here, we're also updating it for the Roku app. We should also be updating it for the Smart TV app, and we should all be updating it for the website. Everything's encapsulated in this dashboard. So let's take a look. So you can see we've got our test there, and it's updated, which is great. So as far as playlists go, we could say we wanted to add box sets or add some extra taxonomies here. So let's go ahead and just do that quickly. I don't want to go too far with this tutorial, but I just want to show you some things that we could do. So let's just create a playlist, and we'll just call it box sets. Okay, and again we can add images to these, but we're not going to do that now. And we'll create a new playlist, and we'll call this best of 80s. Okay, create that playlist here. So let's just fire up the simulator again. Okay, and just wait for that to compile. Okay, so as you can see, the simulator is launching now. So you can see we've got our two new playlists, best of 80s and box sets. If we go into either of these, you can see that we have nothing associated with these playlists yet. So as we add our players, you should see how simple it is to completely control everything in this dashboard. We can come in here, and let's associate a playlist. Okay, so let's come in here, and we want to associate best of 80s. Okay, and I'm just going to associate the other one just so that we can see it in both taxonomies, and go back to the app. So we're going to best of 80s now. You can see that we've got our application here, and it's working. We also have search functionality, so you'll be able to search your application, and we're building in customer users, so if you have a customer registered to this app, to your application, you'll be able to go into your customers section and view your customers and see what videos they're watching, what percentage of the videos they're watching, and lots of other analytics. Okay, again, we can add images to all these. One thing that we suggest is connecting your Amazon S3 account. It just means that all the images don't have to be added via direct URLs. You can use AWS to upload all your images. You can also encode your images directly through this dashboard using Media Convert and AWS, or you can simply do what we've done here and just use Vimeo URLs if you would like to save money that way. So it's completely flexible. This can also be built out for an MRSS feed, which can be run through iTunes and lots of other services. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this.